Hi class, Miss Sarah here. Today we're going to do a fun activity about learning different shapes that we see in our everyday world. So it's a fun activity that we're going to be doing with picture editing. I think you guys will really enjoy it as well, learn some things about shapes and practice your recognizing shapes. So what I want you guys to do is just think of a place that you've been before, or you want to go, or you've seen pictures of, and just try and find a nice picture of it. I've always wanted to go to Big Ben in England, so I'm going to search Big Ben, go to images, you can just use Google, and I'm going to find a picture that I like. Let's see. I really like this one, so I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to right click and save image as, and I'm just going to do pick a name, pick whatever name you want. I'm going to do Big Ben, save, and then once that is saved, I'm going to go up here and open a new tab and go to www.pixlr.com. And once I get there, once you get there, we're going to go down to the Pixlr editor mode and click Launch Web App. Once you get to this page, is where we're going to be doing our editing of the picture. You're going to open Image from Computer and scroll and find your image. Double click and it'll open. Okay, so once we have our image, what we're going to be doing is looking in at this picture and trying to find shapes that you see within the picture. So we're going to go down here and click on the color, and we're going to do circle's going to be blue. So find a blue that you like. And then we'll do our squares, or our triangles will be red, and then our squares or rectangles will be yellow. And then also whatever pick another color of whatever, like, other weird shapes that you think you will find within, and just pick whatever color you want. I really like purple, so I'm going to pick purple for that. And then what you can do is you can go over here and zoom in and out of your photo, and once you zoom in, if you want to move where you are, you can click on the hand over here and just drag and pull yourself. So just looking in here, I find a few shapes that I like. And so what I'm going to do once I find these shapes, I'm going to go over to this pencil tool. Make sure your pencil tool is on plane. Make the size, I like the size a little bigger, so put it at about 5. And I found a circle, so I'm going to click on the blue. Make sure the blue is in the big box right here. I'm going to click on the blue, and I'm just going to, oops, and see, I've messed up a little bit there. And if you go over here on the history and you click on the one above it, it'll erase it. You can go back to your image. I'm going to click the blue, and I'm just going to try and circle that the best you can. If I look up here, I can zoom in even more. Just make sure you click back on the hand and drag yourself up. There's a triangle up here. So I'm going to click on the red, and I'm going to click on my pencil tool, and I'm going to outline the triangle that I see here. It's easier, the more you zoom in, the easier it is to get the shape that you want. And then you can zoom back out, and you can see that your triangle and circle there. Over here I see a half circle, so I'm going to get my purple. I can zoom in a little bit, drag with my hand. Click on my pencil, and I can outline this half circle here. And then you can see right over to the side of it, there's a square too. So, or a rectangle. Well, there's some squares. Right below it's a rectangle. And just go through the picture to find as many shapes as you can. And so this is our assignment today. Have fun with it and enjoy.